So I told my wife I bought a government-grade, high-performance flying machine capable of doing incredible stunts. I didn't lie, I just omitted the part that it's made out of styrofoam and is terrified of squirrels. This is the DEERC F16 Thunderbirds high-performance plane. Let's go use it. So I don't know how they are possibly able to call it an F16 or a Thunderbirds. I guess they've somehow licensed it, or they've just chosen to use that name. If you've ever been to see the Thunderbirds, they are freaking amazing. If you haven't, you gotta find a way to get to an air show and see them. Much better than the air show that I'm putting on here for you today. But so let's talk about this plane. It claims to be the perfect, easy to fly for beginners, kids, and adults who still act like kids. That would be me. Today we're putting it to the test. The real question is it just a glorified paper airplane with anxiety? Let's find out. First things first, inside the box you get the plane, which is basically ready to fly right out of the gate. They call it RTF in the biz. You also get this controller, which looks complicated and is surprisingly simple when you get to using it. And the most important part, and listen up because this is a game changer, comes with 2 batteries that doubles the flight time, which means double the chances for you to get it stuck in a tree. Now the magic sauce in this little jet is its 6-axis gyro stabilizer. In human terms, that means it has an invisible co-pilot who constantly corrects your terrible flying. When you push the throttle, this thing actually takes off. The gyro works surprisingly well, and for a beginner, this thing is fantastic. You can see it fighting to stay level even when you're doing the wrong stuff, so you can focus on not flying it directly into your own face. The 3-channel control lets you handle the throttle, the rudder, and the elevator. It's not doing barrel rolls like a pro model, but it is more than enough to have a blast zipping around any part. It's the durability. This thing is made of EPP foam, which in science talk is specially packaged peanut plastic. I've crashed this thing into bushes, I've nosedived it into the grass, I've even had one, let's call it an unplanned rapid landing. And look, it just bounces back. The propeller is even designed to pop off on impact to save the motor. You just snap it back on and you're ready for the next inevitable disaster. Okay, let's talk about fail points. Because no budget-friendly fighter is perfect, it's just one enemy, the wind. A slight breeze to you is a Category 5 hurricane in this F-16. If there's more than a whisper of wind, just leave it in the car. Seriously, it weighs about as much as a bag of potato chips, and it flies like one in a stiff wind. Also, the range is decent for a park, but don't try to send it on a secret spy mission over your neighbor's yard. You'll lose signal and then you'll have to have a very awkward conversation with Gary about his prize-winning petunias. So who is this thing for? If you're a serious RC hobbyist looking for precision and power, this ain't it, chief. But if you're a kid, a parent, or just a full-grown adult who wants to fly something without needing a pilot's license or a small loan, this is an absolute win. It's cheap, it's tough, and the fact that it comes with 2 batteries is a huge plus. So go on, feel the need for speed on a budget. Check out the link below to see the current price on Amazon. If you like this video, crash that like button, subscribe for more, and let me know in the comments what you think I should review next. Now, if you'll excuse me, I think I saw a squirrel that needs a flyby. All right, what do you say we try to hand catch this thing to wrap this up? Okay, this thing is freaking so cool, so fun, so much more durable than most of them, but absolutely there's the slightest little breeze here today, and it is very difficult to fly. I mean, I've gotten it down, but you gotta make sure there's absolutely no wind. If there's absolutely no wind, this thing is so cool. Actually, you gotta get yourself one. You absolutely have to get yourself bang for the buck, ridiculously cool. There's a link here on the screen or down below in the description. Either one works the same way, neither one costs any extra money. I'm gonna say thank you in advance for using those. The drone's going home, so I think it's time for me to go home too. I hope this was helpful. It was certainly fun for me. I'll see you in the next video.